In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. Whether you want to publish straight from Canva or download and upload manually, I'll walk you through both options so you can pick the workflow that fits you best. Start by connecting your Facebook account to Canva. You can do this inside the Canva editor while your design is open, or through Canva's content planner. The first time you choose Facebook as a destination, Canva will prompt you to sign in and grant permissions. Approve access, and make sure you select the correct Facebook profile or page. If you manage multiple pages, confirm you've picked the right one. You can adjust this later in Connected Apps settings. Once your account is connected and your design is ready, click Share in the top corner of the Canva editor and choose Facebook as the destination. Canva will ask where to post, your timeline or a specific page, depending on permissions. Add your caption, links, and hashtags in the text field. If using the content planner, choose a date and time to schedule your post. Review the preview to check layout, colors, and text. Facebook can compress images, so avoid tiny fonts and keep important elements away from edges. If your design uses Facebook post dimensions, Canva will handle sizing. When everything looks good, click Post or Schedule, and Canva will publish to your destination. You'll see a confirmation once it's queued or live. If you prefer manual control, download your design from Canva and upload to Facebook yourself. Click Share Download. For static images, use PNG for sharp results. For motion or video, choose MP4. Save to your device, open Facebook, create a new post, upload the file, add caption and links, adjust audience settings if needed, and publish. This method is useful for check-ins, tagging, or boosting posts. That's it. Connect your account to post directly from Canva, or download and upload manually.